Hi everyone, this is Amrita. Today we are going to see how to make roses with fabric petals. These are fabric rose petals which we can get in any kind of. I basically bought them from a dollar store, so you get them in these kind of packs. So we have all different colors, so of pink, red, and white. The end product would be like this. So let's see what are the steps and what are the things which you need to make this. You need basically the toothpicks. I think everybody knows the toothpicks. These are the toothpicks, and you need a little bit of cotton. I have a little bit of cotton over here with me, and you need a thread and a red marker. I think these are sufficient. And first of all, the first step what you have to do is take your toothpick and take a little bit of cotton which we got already, and you have to start rolling it in this way. Just roll it like this and just give it a fold. Okay, already I've done it. So this is the result of that one. Then you have to put your rose petals on top of this bud, and you need to roll it like this. Okay, then you will take a thread. Sorry, you have to first of all mark this cotton bud with red color, or else it will look very odd when it is placed inside the rose petals. Okay, uh, once this is done, this much would be sufficient because only the topmost part would be visible. So you take your bud and just place it inside the petal and start rolling this. Okay, just done on this way, and then you take your thread and start tying it like this. You need not put any knots right now because it's not required. Basically at the end we would uh, tie some knots so that it will not get. And remember that you should you should tie these petals very tightly so that they will not get loosened. This is the process. You keep tying all the threads, all the petals with the thread like this. Okay, fine. The placement of the petals would be very important, and you have to you have to be careful while doing with these petals. If you uh, do it in a wrong way, then they will get disturbed. So this is I already prepared it. You can find this after 4 or 5 petals. Then we will see how to finish this rose right now. So the placement would be alternative. So one after the other, alternatively I've placed the petals. So this thread is not very strong, I think, so it got cut in between. I'm placing it exactly opposite to this one. And finally, here you have your. Basically, you need not untie this thread from the roll. Okay. This way, after a few petals, the size which you require. Once you finish that, you have to make a knot like this. I think basically you know how to make knots. I need to teach you simple knot. Just a simple knot. Just roll it like this. Put it inside this one and just pull this thread. Here you have a beautiful rose bud, and you can get different colors and make different colors of roses like this. And you can even add uh, the leaves which you can get in a store. And I'll see you back with another project in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.